Hello, my dear friends. In this lecture, we are going to understand the ultrasonic sensor, a very commonly used distance measuring sensor in electronics and automation projects. An ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the distance between the sensor and an object without making physical contact. It works by using sound waves that are beyond the range of human hearing, which are called ultrasonic waves. These sound waves travel through the air, hit an object, and reflect back to the sensor. By calculating the time taken for the sound to return, the sensor determines how far the object is from it. The working principle of an ultrasonic sensor is based on the concept of echo, similar to how bats navigate or how sonar systems work in submarines. The sensor has two main parts, a transmitter and a receiver. The transmitter sends out short bursts of ultrasonic sound waves, and when these waves strike an object, they bounce back and are detected by the receiver. The sensor measures the time difference between sending and receiving the signal, and since the speed of sound in air is known, the distance can be calculated accurately. This method allows the sensor to measure distances even in dark environments or where visual sensors may fail. Let's see the pinout of ultrasonic sensor. The HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins. First, VCC. This pin provides the 5-volt power supply to the sensor, typically connected to the 5V pin on an Arduino. Second, trig. The trigger pin is used to send out the ultrasonic sound pulse. To initiate a reading, this pin must be set high for 10 microseconds. Third, echo. The echo pin outputs a pulse whose duration corresponds to the time it takes for the ultrasonic pulse to travel to an object and return to the sensor. Fourth, GND. This is the ground pin, connected to the ground of the Arduino to complete the circuit. In practical projects, ultrasonic sensors are often used to build distance meters, smart parking systems, water level indicators, and automated security systems. Their ability to provide accurate distance measurement with minimal setup makes them an excellent choice for beginners as well as advanced applications where reliable sensing is required.